You just got to do it. That's all it is. You'll find out really quick if you love it or hate it. There's no better piece of advice. Like, yeah, you can go around. I researched stand up for a year before ever doing it. Oh, let me learn the lingo. It didn't prepare me for any of it.
You know, I love how you called it your outlet, your escape, your breakfast club. Did you receive a lot of encouragement from maybe family and friends to finally get on that stage?
No, not at all. I mean, it did take a friend driving me to the place to show me where it was and being in my, being my security blanket. There is one guy who saw me for the first time on stage that was part of my life before comedy. You know what I'm saying? And it did take him finally saying, let's go, for me to do it. But I really didn't talk about it with my family because it's not something that was a career option. It was just a hobby, in a sense. It's something that I'm interested in this, but I don't need to bring family into it yet because it's not something that I'm deciding to live off of. It's something I just do. Yeah, it's like, would you go to your family to be like, hey, I'm going to join a pool league? You know? Yeah, you wouldn't. Or, hey, I'm going to do poker every Tuesday night. No, you'd tell your wife, but you wouldn't tell your family.
Yeah, definitely. I appreciate that answer because I think a lot of people who are, wanting to get on stage for the first little bit, they go around asking like, hey, is this something that's right for me? What advice would you give to those people that are hesitant on it a little bit?
You just got to do it. That's all it is. You'll find out really quick if you love it or hate it. There's no better piece of advice. Like, yeah, you can go around. I researched stand up for a year before ever doing it. Oh, let me learn the lingo. It didn't prepare me for any of it. Yeah, I knew the idea of an open mic. But in all honesty, it's like you just have to, there's no way around just doing it. And nobody in your life, unless they're a stand-up comic, can tell you anything about it, and most stand-up comics would be like, oh yeah, don't do it. Why? Why would you do this? Don't. There's no reason, for two reasons. If we know the struggle it takes, and also we don't want more competition. It's like, no, it's good. The clubs are filled.